Welcome to Fabby John's, the joy of decorating. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. Neutrals don't have to be boring. Designer secrets for a timeless, elegant home. Let's explore the 10 designer secrets to make neutral decor elegant, inviting, and anything but boring. 1. Build a strong foundation with undertones. Every neutral has an undertone. Warm beige with pink, cool gray with blue, soft greige with green. Learn how to choose undertones that complement each other so your space feels layered, not flat. Compare paint swatches side by side in natural daylight to reveal the hidden undertones. 2. Layer textures generously. Texture is the magic that makes neutrals exciting. Think chunky knits, smooth leather, linen, polished marble. Mix at least 5 textures in every room. Walls, floors, textiles, and accessories. The more varied the textures, the richer the look. 3. Work with tonal variety. Instead of one beige, use a spectrum of similar shades, like cream, oat, camel, taupe. This creates natural depth and keeps the eye moving. 4. Add natural materials. Wood, stone, rattan, and woven grasses all add quiet drama. A raw wood side table or a stone fireplace around warms the space. Even a simple rattan tray brings subtle contrast. 5. Play with pattern softly. Patterns don't have to shout. Herringbone floors, subtle plaid pillows, tone-on-tone wallpaper, or a textured area rug provide interest while staying neutral. 6. Bring metal accents. Bronze, brass, nickel, or black iron add sheen and sophistication. Use metallic lamp bases, picture frames, or cabinet hardware to reflect light and create elegance. 7. Introduce art and statement pieces. Art doesn't have to be colorful to be captivating. Black and white photography, charcoal sketches, or a sculptural pottery add personality. Large-scale neutral artwork makes a room feel curated. 8. Light it beautifully. Lighting shapes the mood. Combine overhead fixtures, table lamps, and candlelight. Soft white bulbs give warmth and keep neutrals from looking sterile. 9. Add greenery and florals. Fresh plants or simple branches breathe life into a neutral room. Even one tall vase of greenery creates color contrast and a sense of freshness. 10. Personal touches and seasonal layers. Finally, layer in your story. Family heirlooms, a stack of well-loved books, or seasonal accents like cozy throws in winter and light linen in summer. These details keep your space dynamic and uniquely yours. Remember, a neutral home isn't about playing it safe. It's about creating a canvas where every texture, shape, and light tells your story. Watch till the end. There is more beautiful inspiration in this video. You don't want to miss it. So there you have it, 10 designer secrets that prove neutrals are anything but boring. By mixing textures, tone, and thoughtful details, you can create a space that feels warm, elegant, and forever stylish. If you find these ideas helpful, please tap the like button, share the video with a friend, and subscribe to The Joy of Decorating for weekly inspiration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for all of you that have subscribed. We're growing our channel steadily. Thanks so much. See you on the next one. Bye.